quality. It's at the heart of everything we do. No matter the project, size, or scope, the Quality Lab at Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture, has the capabilities to provide numerous metrology services for the core industries we serve. From aligning nuclear structure walls to adjusting automotive battery build pallets and inspecting blood test fixtures, we have the advanced equipment and know-how to support any customer need. Capabilities: Faro laser tracker measuring range is up to 35 meters with an accuracy of 44 micrometers at its maximum range. Faro arm can easily be moved around CNC machining center or assembly line to check the machine setup. Laser scanner attached with Faro arm will provide non-contact measurement capability for a soft surface or contour profile. Smart Scope provides 12:1 magnification power on tiny features. See the difference that our quality makes. Eclipse Automation, part of Accenture. We design and build the future. EclipseAutomation.com